So there's very little damage to a vehicle. That means the occupant could not be injured, right? Right, Dale? Come on.
Well, that is what makes sense, Dr. Todd.
Right.
That's what an insurance company says. Extent of damage or lack of damage has no correlation to an injury that any one of the occupants in that car sustained. As we've already discussed, there's been several different factors that come into play of how any one person sitting anywhere in the car might have been injured differently from the next person. When you go to the grocery store and you're buying a dozen eggs for your family, do you just take eggs off the shelf and put them in your cart and go check out? No. Opens the carton, looks inside, makes sure that the eggs are okay, and then you close the carton and you go on your way, right? That's what a car is. The car is the carton, and just because there's no damage on that egg carton, we're all still looking inside, right?
No correlation whatsoever as far as the extent of vehicle damage to the problem with the person inside. Now, granted, if it's massively huge, you're gonna guess that person's probably pretty hurt. But on the lower end stuff, I've seen patients that have, you know, a fairly mild bump, but what happened is they didn't see it coming, they weren't braced for it, they were in a weird position with their body, they were looking a certain way, and it screwed them up big time. And then we do a diagnosis and a workup, and sure enough, we find damage to their body.
Yeah.
Video presentation by Meridian, Idaho Car Accident Chiropractic. We dedicate our service to Meridian, Idaho, auto accident victims who have been in a car collision and have experienced personal injury. Idaho law allows motor vehicle victims to pursue personal injury claims legally, and if you are not at fault, your chiropractic healthcare is covered 100%. The doctors of chiropractic at Meridian Car Accident Chiropractic in Meridian, Idaho, are specially trained to diagnose and treat hidden injuries following a car collision. If you or a loved one has been injured in any type of motor vehicle crash, we are here to help you get your life back on track. We provide clinical, diagnostic, and treatment excellence. We accept car crash victims, whiplash injury victims, commercial truck accidents, and motorcycle accident victims. There is no fee for you, your loved ones, and your friends to seek chiropractic care at Meridian, Idaho Car Accident Chiropractic. Call now 208-581-4353 and let's get you back on your feet.